Good day, everyone. Today we are going to tackle about the lesson 12, recreational resort and cruise. Recreation and resort is a complex of buildings and facilities in a scenic area that offers lodging, entertainment, and activities for people on vacation. What is a resort? Resort is a place for vacation that provides both lodging and a variety of recreational activities, dining, and entertainment in one self contained location. It is an all inclusive tourist complex. Beyond accommodation, resorts also offer a range of services such as restaurants, bars, leisure, and sports activities. Resorts are designed to meet all the guest needs. What is recreation? The resort complex and recreation can never be separated. Recreation is an activity done for enjoyment, pleasure, and refreshment during your leisure time. It is a way to relieve your stress, restore your body and mind, and make free time more interesting. It is also viewed as a life enhancing experience, which is the outcome of freely. According to Torkeldensen, the word recreation stems from the Latin recreation meaning restoration to health. Traditionally, the term has been thought of as a process that restores or recreates the individual, and that is the main objective of recreation. The history of resorts. The English word travel is in fact derived from the same root as travail, meaning painful or laborious work. Historically, people have always traveled for reasons of trade, government, education, and religion. However, widespread travel for pleasure before the 20th century was altogether another matter, hampered by poorly developed early transport system, rough roads, the constant threat of crime, rude inns often run by uncaring hosts, and rude fellow travelers. Travel was viewed as something to be undertaken less by choice than from necessity. Early European origins of resorts. The most ancient roots lie in ancient Rome, around the 2nd century BC, with the development of public bath or thermae. Public baths were fundamental to ancient city life because they solved a crucial infrastructure problem, the hygiene, while simultaneously fulfilling the deepest human needs for social interaction, relaxation, and communal activity. The concept of a resort in Europe evolved from ancient Roman bath to the prominent aristocratic spa towns or lido towns of the 17th to 19th century, eventually expanding to seaside resorts as travel and leisure became more widespread. The development of spa resort. The evolution of spa resorts has transitioned from health oriented retreats of ancient Rome and medieval Europe to contemporary, multifaceted establishment influenced by the global wellness market. Originally focused on the medicinal advantages of mineral springs, the idea developed into bigger resort style complexes in the 18th and 19th centuries and evolved into a global sector that now includes a wide variety of services, including body treatments and holistic wellness plans. The tourism sector's response to contemporary stress, rising disposable income, and a greater focus on health and well-being all contribute to this expansion. Roman baths in England. They discovered thermal water to be a relief to their aches and built baths at the spring areas, naming them aquae. The hot water treatments undertaken there were referred to as sanus per aquam or spa, which means health by or through water. However, popular in this explanation may be there is a little in the way of evidence for it being the origin, and most people accept that the word spa comes from the Belgian town of Spa, which reached the peak of its fame in the 14th century as a water treatment place and existing until today. The second period, spa culture going around the world. Besides the Roman spa traditions such as combining hot with cold baths or sport activities with massage and relaxation, Other cultures from all over the world also form their own spa tradition. Spa has been popular in Japan since 737 AD when the first onsen, or hot spring, area near Izumo became public thermal area, but it was centuries later that the Japanese built the first ryokan, or inns. Approximately 300 years later, the now widely used sauna appeared in Finland. In the third period, spa traditions in Europe. The main characteristics of a spa is being located around natural hot springs. In the Renaissance era, there were many resorts that became popular baths and healing places built around thermal springs. And in the 16th century, the first scientific book based on the Czech Karlovy Vary health treatments was published, recommending the usage of thermal baths and tonics. In the 1980s, the village of Bad Worrishofen became famous by the holistic herbal and water therapy developed by Sebastian Kniep, the father of the renowned Kniep therapy. Approximately in the same period, the spa went to the downside public baths across Europe. It was closed because of the spread of plague, and in France, baths were also destroyed in an effort to prevent syphilis epidemic.
Overcrowded early spas lead to better hotels. Popular spa towns were crowded and had poor quality accommodations. Even rich visitors could not get private rooms. This created a strong demand for higher quality, more comfortable lodging. St. Moritz notably dates back to Roman times. The place called St. Moritz was visited already in ancient times. The sites used for healing or bathing goes back many centuries. Rust-colored chalybeate springs, chalybeate water containing iron salts, chalybes, steel or iron. Hotel Interlaken is named after the town Interlaken, originally built in the 15th century as a hostel to accommodate religious travelers. Two leading hotel families in the 19th century, especially hospitality, was often a family enterprise. Names like Badrat Bor became associated with hotels and hospitality businesses. They invested in purpose-built resort structures. Three famous resort hotels constructed by the Badrat family were the Hotel Alabwa di Bernana, 1815, the Pension Fowler, 1860, and the Palace Hotel, 1896. Hotel Alabwa di Bernana, 1815. An early example, 1815, showing and organized tourist accommodations near mountain scenery. Bernina refers to the Bernina Range in the Alps. Pension Fowler, 1860. Pension Fowler often refers to boarding house or small hotel with meals included. Late 1860 indicates mid-19th century expansion of such lodging types. Palace Hotel 1896. Palace suggests a grand luxury hotel built for wealthy tourists at the height of classic alpine tourism. 1896 is the late 19th century, an era of grand resorts, hotels, and affluent visitors. Hotel Bois Auloc in Zurich opened in 1838. It was large for its time, with nearly 200 guests, showing the rise of luxury hotel design. During the same period, Bad in Hamburg became a very popular and profitable resort. Its success was mostly because of casino run by the Francois Blanc. Blanc later managed the famous casino at Monte Carlo. Cyclical popularity of European resorts. European resorts hotels typically had short life cycles around 20 years. This is because many were owned by one generation of entrepreneurs, and when the owners aged or died, the hotel often declined or changed hands. Early Asian resorts origins. Asia's resorts history is incredibly rich and diverse, but too large to fully cover because Asia is vast. Contains 60% of the world populations, includes many different cultures. The 20th century North America. Early 1900s, the typical North American resorts hotel was a summer-only business. Travel improvements, especially railroads, increased resorts accessibility. Resorts mainly serves the wealthy who had high disposable income before the US had income tax. Resorts in the Philippines. Amanpulo Resorts, Palawan. Amanpulo is a private island resort known for its luxury and exclusivity. It is famous for pristine white sand beaches, emerald green waters, limestone cliffs, peaceful island scenery. It is partly owned by Aman Resorts Internationally and world-renowned luxury hotel group because it is private and very quiet. Amanpulo is often visited by celebrities and high-end travelers. Banwa Private Island, Palawan. Banwa is known as the most expensive private island resorts in the Philippines, located off the coast of Palawan. It offers ultra-luxury villas, private chefs, helicopter transfers, complete privacy. It caters to extremely wealthy guests, and even international news outlets like CNN features it. Boracay Island is one of the most famous beaches in the Philippines and even worldwide. People love it for powdery white sand, vibrant nightlife, water sports, beautiful sunsets, long stretch of hotels, shops, and restaurants. It is perfect place for tourists who want both relaxations and party activity. El Nido, Palawan is known as the last frontier, sometimes the island of the gods. It offers spectacular limestone cliffs, clear blue waters, quiet, peaceful beaches, island hopping tours, diving spots, caves and lagoons. It is ideal for travelers seeking serenity and natural beauty away from city life. Pearl Farm Beach Resorts is a well-known luxury resort in Davao City. Although it no longer farms pearl, it is famous for exotic and relaxing atmosphere, lush flora and fauna, beautifully designed suites and cottages, calm beaches. It is perfect for tourists looking for a quiet and tranquil tropical escape. Siargao Island is known for surfing capital of the Philippines. It's a famous worldwide for its strong waves, especially at Cloud 9, where waves can reach up to 12 feet. The island also has unspoiled beaches, tidal pools, mangrove forest, a laid-back natural lifestyle. Surfers from around the globe visit Siargao year-round. Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, is often called the Hawaii of the Philippines because of its big waves, strong winds, and stunning coastlines. It is known for long beaches, surfing spots, peaceful, secluded areas. Compared to Boracay, Pagudpud is less crowded, making it ideal for quiet beach lovers. Mactan Island, Cebu. Mactan is a popular resorts area known for luxury hotels and resorts, private beaches, water activities, diving, snorkeling, jet skiing, lively nightlife. Because it is near Cebu City and has its own international airport. It is a very accessible vacation destination. Camiguin Island, often called the Garden of Eden of the Philippines, Camiguin is famous for its natural beauty. It features waterfalls, hot and cold springs, volcanoes, white sandbars. It is peaceful, clean, and full of nature, making it a paradise-like destination. Panglao Island. Panglao is known for its world-class diving sites, especially around Alona Beach. Tourists visit for stunning coral reefs, marine life, beach resorts, access to boat tours. It is a small island connected to the bigger island of Bohol and is perfect for diving enthusiasts.
Proximity to primary market. Destination resorts. These resorts that are many miles away from their target market. Usually, these resorts are reached by use of air transportation to minimize the travel time and maximize the guest experience. A guest usually travel to this resort once or twice a year. In the Philippine setting, if you are from Manila, a destination resort for you is a trip in Davao or Boracay. And non-destination resort is, as the name implies, non-destination resorts are resorts which can be easily reached upon when traveling. Usually, you can drive to the resort for about 2 to 3 hours. An example of such resort is Caliraya Resort Club in Laguna or Villa Escudero in Quezon. Next is seating and primary amenities. So, a resort could be categorized based on its locations and services. In this classification, resorts could be categorized as ocean-based beach resort. These are hotels which have the ocean as the location. So these resorts rely on sand and sunshine together with the various activities that could be done within the settings. Boracay and Puerto Galera are famous sites in the Philippines. Second is lake river-based resorts. So by definition, a lake is an area localized in a basin that is surrounded by land apart from any body of water or other outlet that serves to feed or drain it, typically in the Philippines. So these resorts are in development phase, but famous resorts that could be found in country include the Lobok River Resort in Bohol and the Caliraya Resort Club in Laguna. So various activities included fishing, boating, and the like.